friends. Think it's impossible to have a relaxing day at Disney during the madness of spring break and still ride every ride? Well, challenge accepted. Join me as I prove you can conquer the parks without the stress, using strategies, secrets, and even some slow moments included. Let's make Disney magic easy. Come along with us. You ready?
There's just something about stepping into Hollywood Studios. The old school music, the neon lights, the smell of popcorn in the air. It's like walking straight into a movie set. And there it is, looming over Sunset Boulevard, like it's daring us to enter. This ride is hands down one of the best in all of Disney World, and we're kicking off the challenge with a drop. Literally. This was our first lightning lane of the day. As you can see, we didn't rope drop, so I'm really grateful we had this lightning lane already planned out. And here we are, the Twilight Zone Tower of Terror. This ride isn't just a thrill ride, it's a full-on experience with one of the best backstories in the park. So here's the story. Back in 1939, on a stormy Halloween night, a bolt of lightning struck the Hollywood Tower Hotel. A whole elevator full of guests vanished, never to be seen again. Now, we're about to step onto this elevator and relive the mystery.
Where with the key of imagination, beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound, a dimension of sight, a dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You just crossed over into the Twilight Zone. Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. Tonight's story of the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique. It calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels you directly to the Twilight Zone.
Hey guys, we just got off the Tower of Terror, and we decided, since we have lightning lanes and Star Tours is 5 seconds, we are going to have a little snacky snack. So we got a pink donut for Sophie. That's her fave. She loves pink, anything pink. And then we also I got a cheese steak. We are just luxuriating before we go to Star Tours. Okay guys, we finished our little snacky snack, and now Star Tours is a 5-minute ride, so we're going to casually stroll over there, or 5-minute standby, sorry. We're going to casually stroll over there and then jump on that, and then by that time, we might run it once or twice depending on the time, because we have a 10:40 Rise of the Resistance. So let's go, friends.
You can definitely tell that it is spring break here in Walt Disney World. The crowds are a lot, but as always, it's all about attitude. This ride first opened in 1989 and was actually Disney's first ever motion simulator attraction. Back then, it only had one destination, indoor. But in 2011, Disney upgraded it to Star Tours The Adventure Continues, and now there are over 60 different ride combinations. That means every ride is a little different. Here's a fun fact. This ride is actually canon in the Star Wars universe. The story, we're supposed to be on a nice, easy sightseeing tour, but of course something goes wrong and boom, we're suddenly in the middle of a battle.
That sounds like a fascinating tour, and I just joined us. Second, I've just been to a train station. You haven't missed it.
Okay, wow. Star Tours never disappoints. We just jumped to light speed, dodged blaster fire, and almost got caught by the First Order. But guess what? We're not done yet. Now, we're heading to the ultimate Star Wars experience, Rise of the Resistance. If Star Tours is a classic, then Rise of the Resistance is next level. This isn't just a ride, it's a full-blown mission. From the moment you step in, you're inside the Star Wars universe. No ride vehicle in sight, no track in front of you, just a cinematic experience that puts you right in the middle of the action.
Commander 9-9, please report. IGS combat.
Is everyone assembled? Good. Should we be inside crack? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. The covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to the system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Bukhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Bukhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-9 and I shall personally see him delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Hey guys, so we are off Rise. It was great, banger as always, and now we are headed to Rock and Roller Coaster Park Lightning Lane. So we're making pretty good time. We're just kind of relaxing and kicking off all the sights and riding all the rides. So let's go.
Alright guys, we've done a good bit today, but now it's time to amp things up. Next stop, the one and only Rock and Roller Coaster. This isn't just any roller coaster, it's an indoor, high-speed thrill ride, and we're going from 0 to 60 in seconds. And of course, you're rocking out to Aerosmith the whole way. Now the story behind this ride is pretty cool. You're getting to go backstage at an Aerosmith concert, and guess what? They're going to get you to the show immediately, and they're going to do that by tossing you into one of their tricked out stretch limos to speed through the city. This ride is straight up wild. You're going to feel like a rock star and a speed demon all at once. I can't wait for those high speed launches and twists. It's one of my faves. So let's go.
Hey guys, so we just got off Rock and Roller Coaster. We ended up in the last car, which is really cool. We're going to spend the afternoon and lunch at Toy Story Land, so come along with us. We're going to do Toy Story Mania.
For Toy Story Mania, you are entering Andy's room, but this time you're not just a spectator, you're part of the action. Armed with a spring-loaded shooter, you'll be taking aim at all sorts of targets in the craziest toy theme scenes. Let's see who the real champion is here.
Just like Toy Story Mania, and we're heading to Aliens Rolling Saucers. So come along with us.
So like I just said, we're keeping with the Toy Story vibes, and we're going to Aliens Rolling Saucers. It's a great spin and swirl. This ride is all about those cute little green aliens who love the claw. You'll hop into your very own flying saucer and spin around the most fun, dizzying way possible.
Aliens Swirling Saucers was cute as always. Now we're heading to our favorite in Toy Story Land, Slinky Dog Dash. Our favorite of all time in this little area.
Slinky Dog Dash is a roller coaster perfect for all ages. It's smooth, fast, and full of twists and turns. The best part, you're riding on Slinky Dog, and the whole track feels like a toy train set. With some surprises along the way, it's got that perfect mix of speed and fun. You're gonna love the drops, the speed, and the way it zooms through the toy boxes and around the corners. Such a blast. And now it's time for lunch. We're going to head over to ABC Commissionary and see what they have in store. We love eating there. Such a quick fix. The food's still yummy.
We had a nice lunch at ABC. And now we're heading, we have 2 more rides left before we've done every ride in the park today, so we're going to tackle Millennium Falcon.
Millennium Falcon isn't just any ride. This is a smuggler's run where you get to be part of the action. As soon as you step in here, it feels like you're stepping right into Star Wars universe. From the cockpit to the control panels, it all feels so real. Alright guys, I got to be the pilot today. Let's see if we can actually make the Kessel run in less than 12 parsecs. I don't think we did so hot, but we sure had fun trying.
We just got off the Millennium Falcon, and now we're hitting out our last ride of the day to have them all completed. Minnie and Mickey's Runaway Railway. So come enjoy the day with us.
Okay guys, Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. This ride is unlike anything else. It's the first ever Mickey Mouse themed ride through attraction at Disney. And trust me, it's a blast. As soon as you step into the queue, you're transported straight into the world of Mickey Mouse cartoons. It's so vibrant with all the classic animation vibes. So let's go board the train with Mickey and Minnie. Who knows where we're headed? This is going to be wild.
Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
And that's a wrap on our Ultimate Hollywood Studios day. We rode every ride, embraced the chaos of spring break, and somehow still managed to have a pretty relaxing time. Were we experts? Absolutely not. Did we have a blast? 100%. If you enjoyed this adventure, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss what's next. Let us know in the comments, what's your must-do ride at Hollywood Studios? Until next time, keep it fun, keep it chill, and we'll see you real soon.